The reality has now emerged. Big news about XRP Ripple has been a long time. It's our turn now. Coinbase, the largest cryptocurrency exchange in the world, has disclosed significant insights on the XRP flow's underlying causes. XRP will soon be known to everyone. Therefore, the price will skyrocket. Some authorities even believe it will increase by as much as $60,000. That's rather amazing, no? That you can't miss a single second of this film. Without any more nonsense, let us go directly to the point. Note well, XRP is finally receiving some notice once more. This time it's not about lawsuits or speculation-related discussion, relates to actual movement. After years of uncertainty about what would happen and what Coinbase has done recently, things are beginning to shift in XRP's favor. This could be the spark that ignites the fire. Coinbase Derivatives has requested the U.S. Commodity Futures Trading Commission to allow them self-certify XRP futures contracts. Their intention is to begin trading on April 21st. This is not only another cryptocurrency product, it indicates that XRP is returning in a significant manner to regulated financial markets. Should it pass, Coinbase would be the second controlled U.S. platform to provide XRP futures following Binomials, which did so not long ago. This paper was not created on the fly. It follows a significant turning point in the SEC Ripple Labs case. 2 weeks before Coinbase filed, Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse stated the SEC had formally abandoned its appeal. This put an end to the protracted legal battle. At $50 million, Ripple's settlement proposal was less than half of what the SEC had sought. Ripple also abandoned its own appeal. A high-stakes lawsuit came to a quiet but significant conclusion, opening room for establishment players to begin moving in. Things are starting to get fascinating now. It's all part of a larger trend that Coinbase reported. Settlement of the case has allowed banks to begin marketing investment products depending on XRP Ripple coin. The outcome is already being experienced. I intended to make a pun. Asset managers including Grayscale, Franklin Templeton, WisdomTree, 21 Shares and Bitwise have filed spot XRP ETFs. Levi, a well-known personality in the cryptocurrency community, said it all in a tweet that was spot on. Approval of the XRP ETF is approaching. Get ready. Big changes are on the way. That's not only wishful thinking, it indicates the market is at last free to investigate all of XRP's potential. Understanding an ETF will help you to grasp why this is significant. An ETF allows people to invest in an asset like XRP without acquiring the token itself. Instead, they purchase shares in a fund tracking XRP pricing. Using conventional financial systems to invest in cryptocurrency helps both large and small investors to do so more easily and more cleanly. A lot of money pours into a spot ETF once it is accepted. It occurred with Bitcoin and Ethereum. It could happen with XRP next. Listing XRP futures by Coinbase is a component of a bigger strategy to provide more regulated futures. The trend is clear. Coinbase places great emphasis on futures. XRP is now also on their list of additions. Trading futures is significant since it can increase market participation, enhance liquidity, and provide an asset more credibility in the opinion of authorities and major investors. XRP futures going live on a major US exchange like Coinbase sends a strong message. XRP has turned off the red light. XRP is on the verge of starting a very different narrative. At last, rules are getting clearer. Support for exchanges is returning. More ETFs are being filed. This is not only about a token passing a case. A digital asset in this narrative reclaims its market position with more experience and opportunities. Should the ETF be authorized and events continue to go well, XRP's price might truly rise. By listing and providing futures, Coinbase has helped other assets become more well-known and reliable. As you may recall, XRP being included now, prices and interest could really skyrocket. XRP has been problematic for years, but now it appears ready to run. Isn't it? XRP is not just surviving even with all the instances, delistings, anxiety, skepticism and uncertainty. Its return might disturb the whole cryptocurrency market. Given Coinbase's participation, you can be sure that XRP's price will rise to heights not seen in years. But how much higher could it be? Behind closed doors, what do professionals truly believe will occur? Some of these forecasts, I assure you, will astound you. XRP is changing the rules. It's not only causing ripples, it's changing them. Originally a contentious coin, now it's one of the most discussed crypto assets. Residents of the area are increasingly voicing their opinions. From casual holders to crypto leaders, everyone appears to be getting it. XRP might be on the verge of doing something really significant. John Squire said that XRP is not only succeeding, it's taking control. He is also correct. The floodgates are opening. Coinbase is preparing to trade futures. Many ETF applications have been submitted. The SEC's decision to back down has removed one of the last major roadblocks. XRP's legal cloud is finally clearing, and the market feels better with it. Crypto Sensei is going all out. He tweeted XRP is on the way for $10,000. However, though with a different sort of defiance, Edward Farina, founder of Alpha Alliance Academy, sounds just as confident. Farina remarked, "I'm not here for $2. Should the major banks wish to maintain XRP low until it is commonly used, I am here to defeat them." He then stated, "I'm here for a multi-generational pump. I won't sell any XRP for under $100. BlackRock will be disappointed." Very few individuals are that certain of their beliefs, and that reveals how profoundly XRP is rooted in the concept of long-term vision, even if you don't share their views. It's not only about spins and pumps for a brief period. For Farina and others like her, XRP is a financial revolution that allows little players to challenge the large banks on their own terms. Still others exist. Very devoted XRP user Michelle Colston said she would not sell until the price hit $1,000 or above. At $1,000 I'll make a little profit and then wait for the $60,000 price. Conversely, detractors such as Crypto Panther are scoffing and claiming that certain of these aspirations are simply unattainable. In cryptocurrency, however, every major move begins with faith. Social media also helps us to gauge people's excitement. Jack the Rippler made it obvious. XRP will go insane. Steph in the meantime simply penned XRP reversal coming. These brief takes are not only background noise, they reveal a shift in people's attitude toward the area. People are no longer only wishing, they are expecting. Naturally, not every guess will come true. 10,000 XRP. It's a major strategy. The real lesson here is not the precise figure though, it's the way. Uncertain laws and exchanges removing XRP from their lists kept it stuck for years. Coinbase has now intervened, which has increased the XRP soldiers' enthusiasm even more. When major names like BlackRock and Franklin Templeton begin to look around, it is not by chance. Smart money is heading there. XRP will also cease to be only a guess should those ETFs be approved. It will be an asset that most budgets may include. Are you surprised? Trust me, from here on out things will only get stranger. Everyone is preoccupied with court battles and price forecasts, yet behind the scenes something even more crucial is taking place: relationships. We already know that cooperation is essential for creating things useful and popular in the real world. Ripple is what drives XRP's pump. Pay attention since they are about to work with someone else. Ripple is promoting XRP as the digital asset solution the world didn't know it required, but is fast coming to know it does. Traditional financial systems are finding it difficult, thus this is the case given their antiquated infrastructure. We're not anymore discussing hype. We're talking about actual banks, actual money and actual adoption. Consider the $50 million agreement Ripple and MoneyGram worked on jointly. And this is not only a publicity gimmick. This strategic partnership aims to transform the worldwide money transfer industry, one of the biggest in existence. MoneyGram partners with millions of individuals across over 200 nations. Now it includes Xrp, Ripple's on-demand liquidity tool operating on XRP.